Hi, pre-calculus students. I'm Ms. Halstead. We're going to go over our course syllabus and expectations. So first up is our course description. Basically, we're in pre-calculus and we're going to learn about a lot of different kinds of math, including trigonometry and a functions review. All right, next up, we have our grading scale is like the normal grading scale. Every 10% is a letter grade change. Okay, so our assignments are broken up into video lessons and then small groups and then your problem sets, which we'll do in My Math Labs or Delta Math, and then unit assessments. So let's go ahead and talk about what those unit assessments are. Okay, so the things you get graded on are these course assessments and these unit assessments. Course assessments are problem sets and your spiral review quizzes. Your problem sets you'll have one problem set per lesson, and your spiral review quizzes, you'll have one per unit. So that spiral review quizzes cover content from any of the lessons we covered throughout the trimester. All right, up next is our unit assessments. So unit assessments are due, these have a hard deadline, so they get, summaries are due at the end of every week. So on Sunday of every week, you have one summary per week. And then your explain it videos will be due at the end of every unit. So one per unit. Together, these different assignments basically take the place of your tests that we normally would have in class. All right, so we're gonna have some tools. I will send you an email about My Math Labs. You need to be able to access your grade in Student View. You need to get messages in Parent Square. Sometimes I'll have an additional extra practice in Khan Academy. Delta Math, we have problem sets sometimes, and then of course our classes on campus. All right, so just some expectations and integrity. You guys can look over this later. All right, last up is where do I see my grade? And where you see your grade is in Canvas, right here, in Canvas. And I only update grades in Student View twice a trimester, so once at progress and once at the final grade. If you are struggling, the number one thing to do is to reach out to me, okay? Meet with me after class, and then from there we can, I can help you, we can formulate a plan, like all of those things. All right, I like to be messaged in Canvas, so when you go to your Canvas dashboard, if you just press inbox, or if you go to one of our courses, I'm working on it. Okay, if you push email Ms. Halstead, it'll take you to the Canvas messaging service. I message people back faster in Canvas than I do from my email. So that's that. Okay, this is a difficult course. The content gets really tricky. So it takes people, it varies the amount of time it takes people. Some people, the assignments take 30 minutes and some people, the assignments take 3 hours. No joke. Okay, so just be prepared for that. And if you are to the point where you're like struggling and so frustrated, you should definitely go back to step number 2 here and meet with me. And then we can like talk some stuff through, get you some of your questions answered. Okay, you are at home, but you are not alone. Okay, so I'm here to assist you and support you as needed, but I can't help you unless you reach out to me. Sound good?